Hi, I just wanted to jump on real fast. Wasn't prepared to do a video, but as I was typing up this text, I realized that I'm a visual person, so it might help you to see what I do. So for your taxes, your receipts, just get yourself like a little accordion file. And what I do is I label it by month, and all my receipts every month go inside each month, so it's easy to organize. But one thing that I also do is I create an Excel spreadsheet, and I categorize each tab by each category. Okay. And so I am going to, in the bottom of this video, I'm going to type out the different categories that I have on the Excel spreadsheet. And then I simply put the date, the vendor or whatever, the store, wherever I bought it from, the total, and then the purpose. And so for instance, if I meet a consultant to go get a smoothie to talk about business, or a potential consultant to talk about joining, or a hostess to do some hostess coaching, and I spend money, like I buy them a smoothie, for instance, that is considered meals and entertainment. And so I will categorize it as meals and entertainment, the total, where I bought it from, the date, and then on the notes, I'll have a note section. I'll say who it was and what it was for. So for instance, if it was Susie Q for join conversation, that's what I would have there as a log. And it's simple as that. And at the end of the year, most tax preparers, you'll have to ask your own tax preparer what they prefer, but they don't want this. They just want you to have this in case you ever got audited. So they'll want your spreadsheet. And some of them just want you to give them totals for every single category, and that you have that log in case, again. And what I do is I print out the whole spreadsheet and I put it inside this at the end of the year. I mark it what year it is, which I've already done, and it's all here in case I ever got audited. I've been doing this for 10 years, and knock on wood, I haven't been audited yet, but I honestly can say that I believe that it's because I've had such a really good tracking of my taxes, and what they look at is your income, how it's growing, and what you got paid. And so if you are claiming, $20,000 in expenses, but you've only made $1,000, they're going to, that's a little bit of a red flag. But if they see that your comparable income to the expenses makes sense, then you're good. But again, I'm not a tax preparer, so please talk to your tax preparer about what they're going to expect and need to do your taxes. I suggest for you to speak to somebody that's done small-based businesses before. My mother-in-law has been a tax preparer for over 40 years. And so obviously I went to her, but you want to ask somebody local in your area. If you live local to me, obviously I'll be happy to give her information, but I would ask around for your peers and ask if anybody they know is educated in small-based business taxes. Otherwise, go to your tax place that you usually go to and then ask them, say, hey, I have a business now, and I'd love to be connected with somebody that is, knows how to handle small-based businesses. And if there's any questions that you have that I didn't answer, please feel free to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. All right, have a sensational day.